How to fix Yahoo Mails not receiving emails. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Yahoo Mail not receiving any emails. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. First thing, what you'll need to do is open up your Yahoo. So head over to mail.yahoo.com and log in into your account. So after you log in into your account, you should find all the mails that you're currently receiving. If you don't see any receiving emails, what you might want to do is check the more option on the bottom here. Head over to your settings. After you on the settings, let it load. It can take some time. And while that loads here, make sure that you have enough space. Now what we're trying to do here is checking if our Yahoo Mail has enough storage. So as you can see right here on the bottom at the settings at the left hand side, you'll find 1 TB of storage and none percent is used. Now make sure that none of it, I mean that it's not completely full. Make sure it's not 100% used or 98, 99% used, since if your storage is almost used up, you will not be receiving any emails. Now that's one thing. The other thing that you might want to make sure is that none of the filters that you're currently using is stopping your emails. Now here you can see different options. Here if you find a filter option, you can head over to the filter option and simply remove any filters that is affecting your emails. Now sometimes you might think that your emails are not being received, but it just gets stored in your spam. So check for your spam like I did. Tap on the three dots, tap on spam, and you should be on the spam section. Here, make sure that your mails are not just getting stored in the spam. So after you've done that, here you can go to the three dots, go to the trash, and empty your trash to make some storage available as well. And yeah, that's the only thing that you can do, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.